Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing tax on international transactions inbound to Thailand. So what are we talking about here? Apparently there's been a rumor going around that Thailand's going to start taxing all inbound transactions. This is like bank wires, things of this nature coming into Thailand. Let's go ahead and preface this by saying I see no evidence for this, and quite honestly, I think doing that would be a monumental task which would massively undermine the Thai economy on many, many levels, and I think it's highly unlikely this will happen. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, that's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, Thai Revenue Releases Personal Income Tax Data. A lot of that article, I'd urge those who are watching this video, go read that article. Yet again, you need to be careful out there, and this is across the board. I'm not just picking on Pattaya Mail. The media needs to stop making conclusions regarding how tax is going to ultimately be assessed and how it's going to work. I don't want to sound like a broken record, but it's going to be assessable on a case-by-case basis, and actual liability is going to occur on this case-by-case basis. So sitting around reading all these things and then thinking that because one person says one thing in one context, that means that's how it applies to you, that is a very bad way to look at this, in my opinion. That said, I'm going to quote a small excerpt here, quoting directly. Contrary to numerous inaccurate reports on the internet, international cash transfers to Thailand are not taxed on arrival. Yeah, again, going back to the preface of this video, I've seen no evidence for that, and quite honestly, yeah, I guess in theory, and I'm sure there's going to be people out there, well, they could do it. Yeah, you know what? A lot of things could happen, okay? But at the end of the day, I don't even know how many transactions are coming into and going out of Thailand on any given day. I have to imagine it's at least hundreds. In fact, I have to presume it's probably thousands. And, when you consider there's all kinds of micro transactions and all kinds of things going through the system, again, trying to tax all inbound monies to Thailand, I don't even know how you'd go about doing that. I don't think again, anything's possible. Then meanwhile, honestly, the rest of the world would look at the economy here and say, well, we don't want to do business there because that's something akin to the old Soviet system or something. So again, this is not something to particularly worry about. And again, these kind of rumors are exactly why I get so passionate about the fact that lay people just need to be quiet about all this stuff and stop throwing all of these basically conjectures out on the internet, which are completely unfounded, because it causes people to panic over things that aren't even an issue. This whole accessibility thing, I've said from the get-go, yes, it is an issue. It's a major change within the regulatory structure of the revenue department here in Thailand. But is the sky falling tomorrow? No. So again, this is why I've been pretty passionate about, hey, stay in your lane. If you don't actually know anything about tax, maybe just don't comment on it.